So a couple things you're going to need for your install is masking tape, painter's tape, any sort of tape that's going to remove from your wall cleanly and easily without damage, a squeegee, which we will provide with your order, and a tape measure to make sure it's level. This video and application style will work for any contour cut decal that we do sell on our website and our Etsy store. It's all basically the same principle. So what we have here is a graphic that has been pre-masked, and prior to it being pre-masked, it was contour cut, meaning machine goes around and cuts around the perimeter of each object, and we peel away the vinyl that's not needed, leaving just the image. From there we take pre-mask, which is essentially just a giant roll of masking tape, and we go over the whole graphic. The pre-mask in this demonstration is clear, however it can vary between clear and regular pre-mask color, masking tape color. So the idea of the pre-mask is that when you peel away the pre-mask, the whole graphic comes with it. This makes it so you don't have to install each individual sticker by hand, one at a time. It'll make your life a lot easier. And we will show you how to do that shortly. First thing you want to do when installing any graphic in your wall is just take a dry towel or paper towel and just knock off any dust, debris, anything like that. Next, you're going to put your graphic in place where you desire it to be. Use just 2 pieces of painter's tape on each corner to hold it in. And now we're going to check to see if it's level. And to do that, you're going to take a tape measure and measure up from the ground on a flat area of the decal on both sides. High on this side just a little bit, so we're just going to move it down, and that's it. From there, you can take 2 bigger pieces of tape if you didn't make your 2 pieces big enough to begin with. And you're going to go back over the corner. Using the supplied squeegee, you're going to hold it right on the edge of the graphic and rip the tape. Now what the tape does is it's going to mark it and let us know where to install it. The bigger the decal, we suggest using a friend, an extra set of hands. So we're going to remove the wax paper from our graphic. I find it easier holding the graphic print side towards the wall to do that. It just seems to peel a little bit easier. You're gonna hold your graphic, line up your right side, just kind of lightly tap it. Line up your left side. Take your squeegee and squeegee down. Go soft at first, and then add a little bit more pressure. Just make sure everything's squeegee down real good. From there, I'm going to remove the tape from the wall. Then you are going to slowly peel the pre-mask off. Now when peeling the pre-mask, go slow, be careful, and hold it right against the wall. Especially when it comes to smaller pieces. If you see it start peeling up, take the edge of your squeegee and just hold it down. After that, just use the squeegee and gently go over it.